Vijay, you're going to take us to something that the entire group can actually experience and can actually keep doing for self also, right?
Yes.
Will you just explain to us what that is?
Yeah, okay. So this is perceptual healing. Say I got it as a gift, as a free learning from Dr. Karthik. He is from Andhra Pradesh. And this is called perceptual healing. Perception is all about you change your perception to the same issue. For example, I mean, again, Neelu is very easily available. So I'm saying if Neelu and me have a discord between us and I want to heal it. So imagine Neelu is from this lifetime. She's sitting in front of me, but either from an Akashic reading or from somewhere from my past life also, I know there is a Neelu existing and I happen to have a discord with them. Or it could be with our parents or friends or anybody. You can heal yourself. So this is something that you can try for yourself. This needs to be done when you go to bed in the night, and then as soon as you wake up, because that is when you are connected to your subconscious. Just before you go to sleep, you just do it as your last thought, because your last thought is what is the major imprint on your subconscious. So you do that, and then you wake up, sit there and just do this, and you get off, which means this is like a soul communication, subconscious communication. You can connect with anything, but this can be done even in your conscious state also. That is not a problem. So you do this, and this is your thymus point. Okay, this is the powerhouse of all your emotions. You feel choking when you're very happy, when you're very sad, you feel all of it here. So this is your thymus point, powerhouse of all your emotions. So you just need to make your hand like this, and just do that for 2 minutes. Just tapping your thymus for 2 minutes helps you, relieve yourself from any strong emotions, negative feelings. Not only that, it stimulates all your adrenaline glands, everything, all your glands will be, stimulated, and your whole system just wakes up. Okay, you just do that, and then you do 7 rounds of inhaling and exhale whatever negativity. Like I'm inhaling energy and I'm exhaling tiredness, or I'm inhaling positive. You can write your 7 affirmations that you want to do, whatever 7 affirmations. Do deep inhaling and slow exhaling. I don't know how many of you know EFT, all the EFT tapping or this thing. I can post it in the group how to do EFT tapping, because that takes a little bit of time to explain. Okay, after you do the 7 rounds of breathing in and breathing out, you can do the EFT tapping. So this is 1 point, this is the 2nd point, this is the 3rd point, 4th point, 5th, 6th, this is your 7th, and on your ribs. Okay, so the 8 points. So when you're doing this, you can do your positive affirmations like I'm completely healed. Or for example, Neelu and me have an harmonious relationship. We are best of friends. So you're changing your perception from differences to a positive state. So you just need to change your perception about whom you want to heal with, whether even if it's your own self. For example, you have a back pain, you can heal your back pain with perceptual healing. Okay, you do your thymus tapping, do your 7 rounds of inhaling, exhaling, and then you're tapping, saying, if you want to take your God, most of us are connected to one or the other gods, like Lord Krishna is healing my back, Lord Krishna is healing my back, you can just make that affirmation. I'm already healed, my back pain is already healed. You have to change the perception. That's what is very important. You have to change your perception, like the future is already here and I'm feeling it. So change the perception. And then if I'm doing a healing with Neelu, from my heart, I connect a white thread to Neelu's heart. Okay. And then I do Ho'oponopono. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Do it for 3 to 5 minutes. And like a magic, things will change.
Right. In fact, are you going to take us through like one set of this?
Yes,
Great.
I do that.
Fantastic. Yeah. There's a question where Shell just asked, whatever you're explaining right now, can it be done for people who are not in this world, as in they're not alive?
You can do your ancestral healing can be done in this format. You can just imagine if your parents are there, your grandparents are not there. Imagine they are in front of you And probably we can do that healing, for a person who's not here. Like, you can do the healing right now, you can go through it. Just imagine them, behind one. Otherwise, we can do a pain healing itself. All of us have some or the other pain, so we
Right.
can for a pain healing also.
Great. Take us to this. Take us to the painting, and I know you're back tomorrow. And if
Yeah.
it comes again, you will
Yeah.
know best.
Yeah.
Your intuition will tell you. Maybe the ancestral bit perception healing bit can be done tomorrow at 11:11. And
Yeah.
Monica, Viji is on the Telegram group after this. I'm sure she'll get back to you on your question about this.
Yes.
Okay. So okay.
So yeah. So all of you sit back, close your eyes. I will do the healing part of it. All the tapping part of it, you can do it later in the day, but I will take you through the healing part of it. Okay. So right now we will do for a pain, if any of you have a pain. So we will do for that pain. So just, make a fist like this and just thumb your thymus part just for a minute or so. Just thumb. Okay. Relax. Now take a nice deep inhale from your nose and breathe out through your mouth and relax completely. Just inhale and exhale. Now, imagine in front of you, there is a white light, and in that light, you can place yourself. If you're not able to imagine, then wherever you have a pain, you can just place your left hand on that part of your body. Just place your hand wherever you have a pain. And for the next 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I'll do the healing. But you can start saying Ho'oponopono, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. Just continue that till I also parallelly do the healing for you. Now very slowly. Rub your palms. Thank yourself. Just put your hand on your eyes and look at your palms and open your eyes.
Thank you.